Evening, folks. Brian here. It's Tuesday, February 11, 2025. I'm doing a heat report for my area, the Okanagan. Before I do, I'm going to go back in time to April 15, 2024, when I first observed or found some heat detections in the coastal waters off of Ranchos Palos Verdes. At the same time period, there was also an earthquake within 7 kilometers of one of these heat detection points. So first, I'm just going to run this video for a moment.
Of Los Angeles, California. I'm going to do this video now before they get rid of this one.
And they did eliminate this information.
3 points off the coast. One with what appears to be some sort of emission of smoke or steam. So the satellite acquisition time was 2:51 a.m.
by infrared.
Brightness of 304.94 Kelvin. One next to it at the same time.
So infrared instruments.
Coast, a third. Let's go take a look at Google. So the distance offshore, one 2/3 kilometer. I do not have any webcams directly in line with this one. Closest webcam is up in this neighborhood. Let's go take a look.
Now I want you to pay attention to what I found. April.
So our heat point is here. So this webcam is not looking at it. However, there is something peculiar about this one. You can see this circular pattern just offshore. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit for you. As if something happened in the middle and caused this little wave pattern. This was 40 minutes ago. Very odd. Let's just run it.
Then directly in my neighborhood on September 18, 2024, Okanagan Lake, the exact same type of wave pattern was observed in our lake. This is right next to one of our local volcanoes, Mount Boucherie. So earlier today, this morning, in doing my heat check, this is southern British Columbia, my province, Okanagan, where I live. And I've seen this pattern before. Numerous detection points actually starting across the border in Washington State. All up through Osoyoos, all over Penticton, and so on. This one right here, so this is the Mount Boucherie volcano complex and the surrounding volcanic mounds. That picture from the news report of the circulating wave pattern was actually right here, in between this detection point here and this one here. Let's go take a look. So volcano, Mount Boucher. And one detection point. Now, folks, I know this area, okay. There's no burns or anything like that here. And across the lake, so here's the first one I showed you. This is a reoccurring location. There is nothing here that would generate any heat. There's no heat sources here. This spine here of mountains is actually a volcano, Spion Kop, S-P-I-O-N-K-O-P. This is another detection point. One moment. Now, this one actually is within view from my my house. So let's just say I'm up here somewhere. So it's nighttime, but if there was any smoke, any burns, I would have seen it clear. There were none. So there's a fault line running down below our bottom of our lake. And of course, we're surrounded by volcanoes. Where would you suggest all this heat is coming from? I did a check. Can find no information on any open burning scheduled for today. No prescribed burns, no controlled burns. Obviously not in someone's backyard. Sometimes when a heat detection point is picked up, I'll actually get in my truck and I'll go and I'll snoop around. So me's thinking that we're going to have an early wildfire season. That is all.